Okay, so today's topic is HashMap in JavaScript, and it's a very powerful data structure for efficient managing of key value pairs. I'm giving you this topic because I feel that there are a lot of problem statement where we need this kind of use case, and especially the time complexity of this is O of one for insertion, deletion, and lookup operation. Uh, so I will give you a basic example how you can set it up in JavaScript, and then maybe we can have one problem statement that will use HashMap uh, to solve certain problem that we can include as a next video. So let's get to the code editor to see an example how we can implement and use HashMap in JavaScript. So I have already created the sample file for the hash map, and let's start with implementing it. So in JavaScript, it is not directly available. So we instead of that, like we can use map object to create hash map. So I will define my variable, my map, and I'll use the map object. Okay, so now using this, we have initialized the map object, so we can uh, add a key value pair to our map. So basically, we can do this by using a built-in function here that is called set, and we can pass in the key and value name over here. For example, I'll pass name, and then I will pass the value. So here the value could be like hash map for example. Okay, and this is how we can basically set a key and value specifically, and how we can get uh, access to this a particular key that we just added. So we'll just do a console.log, and we can use our variable that we have created, and we can use this get function, and we can just pass on the key. So if I save my file, if I go to my uh, run and debug window, and I click on this button, I choose my environment again as Node.js. So here you can see that we got this output hash map, that is a value that we are looking for. Okay, so there could be some other scenario like where we wanted to check if this particular key is available in our hash map or not. So for that, there is also a built-in function available. Uh, so basically that will return a boolean kind of a output. So we'll again log that in console. We'll use our variable, and we have a has function. So we can check that if any particular key is available. I've added a key name uh, into my hash map object, and so I will check whether it's available. So it will mostly return a boolean value. So let's save this file and run it. So it say that true. So this means the name is available. So we will use one more example to check for unknown key. So maybe I'll ask for age that we haven't defined till now. So we'll save this file and run it again. So it says false. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so like this we can verify if the key is existing or not. Similarly, we can remove a key value pair. For that, we have another built-in function. So we'll again use our variable mymap, and we can use delete function. So it will also return us true if the element in the map exists and has been removed, or false if the element does not exist. So I'll try to delete name, okay, and then I'll try to print the value of the name like we did here. So we are deleting the key here, delete operation is going, and we are trying to get the key over here. So let's see what the output looks like. So we can see that this is undefined. So this means that we have successfully deleted the key from our hash map. Currently it's empty. Okay. Another operation that we can do with our map is basically we can go through each key value pair. That is very simple, like just in, iterating over the map. So first of all, we need to just comment these two area. We might add some more entry. So I will say age here. I'll pass on some random age 40, and I'll create a iterator so that will go through this map object. So I'll use my variable. Again, we can use for each for map, and we can use an arrow function basically. So arrow function will have value and key. Just check these positions. The value will come first and the key will be the next. So definitely we can log this also. So I can say that like this key, and just a simple formatting. I can say this as a value. Okay. So now let's run our program. So we can see that we have successfully printed uh, the entire map object basically as key value pairs, and that's it. I think we have covered the use case that we can have in JavaScript for HashMap. It is not like not a built-in, but with map object we can have a similar facility. So maybe in upcoming video, I'll try to add a problem statement that might use HashMap, so we can see the application of it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.